Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about 20 of the rare facts about India. First, India has a floating post office. India has the largest postal network in the world with over 1,55,015 post offices. A single post office on an average serves a population of around 8,000 people. The floating post office is in Dal Lake, Srinagar, which was inaugurated in August 2011. Second, the Kumbh Mela gathering. The Kumbh Mela is a mass pilgrimage of faith. The 2013 Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of people with over 30 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from the space. Amazing culture, eh? People gathering to bathe around a sacred river. Third is the Bandra Worli Sea Link. What's special about this bridge? First thing, look at it, so beautiful. Second, if you combined all the steel used to build this bridge, it would cover the Earth's circumference. It took a total of 2 crore 57 lakh man hours to complete this bridge, and it also weighs as much as 50,000 African elephants. It's one of the most spectacular bridges in the entire world. Fourth is the highest cricket ground in the world. We all love playing cricket. Ever imagine playing cricket at an altitude of 2,444 meters? Yes, the Chel Cricket Ground in Himachal Pradesh is the highest in the world. It was built in 1993 and a part of the Chel Military School. Fifth is shampooing. Shampooing is an Indian concept. Shampoo was invented in India way back in 1762. Not the commercial liquid ones, but by the method of use of herbs. The word shampoo itself has been derived from the Sanskrit word champu, which means to massage. An average person shampoos at least once a day if you want to be clean enough. Sixth is the Indian national Kabaddi team. Everyone knows that Kabaddi originated in India. उससे भी बड़ी बात है, India has won all the 5 men's Kabaddi World Cup held till now and have been undefeated throughout these tournaments. The Indian women's team has also won all the Kabaddi World Cups till date. Seventh, we all drink water, but water on the moon? Yes, the water on the moon was discovered by India. India is excelling in the field of space and astronomy at a very fast pace. In September 2009, India's ISRO Chandrayaan-1, using its moon mineralogy mapper, detected water on the moon for the first time ever. 8. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam is one of the most renowned personalities from India. The father of India's missile program has visited Switzerland back in 2006. Upon his arrival, Switzerland declared May 26th as Science Day. Amazing, isn't it? Ninth, India's first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, only took 50% of his salary, claiming that he did not require more than that. Crazy. Towards the end of his 12th-year tenure, he took only 25% of his salary. The salary of the president was Rs 10,000 back then. 10th, the first rocket in India was transported on a cycle. India is known for its Jugaad technologies from way back then. Jugaad, for those who don't know, a word taken from Hindi which captures the meaning of finding a low-cost solution to any problem in an intelligent way. The first rocket was so light and small that it was transported on a bicycle from Tumba launching station in Trivandrum, Kerala. 11. Spas and massage centers are a very common sight to see. But ये special है. There is a spa for elephants. Elephant receives bath, massages and even food at the Punnatur Kota Elephant Yard Regeneration Center in Kerala. 12. India is the world's second largest English-speaking country in the world. India is second only to USA when it comes to speaking English, with around 125 million people speaking the language, which is only 10% of our population. This is expected to grow by quite a margin in the coming years. 13. Takshila, which was built around 750 BC, was considered the first university. However, some scientists disagree, saying that there are no lecture halls or residential facility for the students. Still a marvel, standing at 750 BC as an educational institution. 14. The world's largest producer of milk. In India, after the White Revolution began, dairies are growing at a tremendous rate. India recently overtook the European Union with the production reaching over 132.4 million tons in 2014. Cattle raising and dairy farming is one of the major income sources in the villages of India. 15. Shakuntala Devi. She was given the name Human Calculator after she demonstrated the calculation of two 13-digit numbers, which were picked at random. She answered correctly within 28 seconds. I am still wondering about the answer. 16. Dhyan Chand. One of the greatest sportsmen from India, Dhyan Chand, after defeating Germany 8-1 in the 1936 Berlin Olympics, Major Dhyan Chand, the wizard of hockey, was summoned by Hitler. He was promised German citizenship at high post in the German military and the chance to play for the German national side. Dhyan Chand, however, declined the offer. Proud of you, Dhyan Chand. 17. Diamonds were first mined in India. You might be aware of the Blood Diamond movie where diamonds are mined in Africa. Initially, diamonds were only found in the alluvial deposits in Guntur and Krishna district in India. Until diamonds were found in Brazil in the 18th century, India led the world in diamond production. 18. A special polling station is set up for a lone voter in the middle of Gir forest. Democracy upheld. Mahant Bharatdas Darshandas has been voting since 2004, and during every election since then, a special polling booth is set up exclusively for him as he is the only voter from Banage in Gir forest. 19. Snakes and ladders. Earlier known as Moksha Patamu, the game was initially invented as a moral lesson about karma to be taught to children. Eventually, the game moved on to Britain, where it was later commercialized and has become one of the most popular board games in the world. 20. Magnetic Hill is a gravity hill located in Leh, Ladakh, India. The hill is alleged to have magnetic properties strong enough to pull cars uphill and even forces aircraft to increase altitude in order to escape magnetic interference. A look for place if you are traveling across. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.